week on the M-Beat.
Advice for next year.
Senior Honors Assembly.
And Locker PSA.
Here we go. Advice for next year.
Go.
One piece of advice I have for incoming freshmen is to be yourself and don't be afraid to make friends.
One piece of advice that I have for incoming freshmen is to put yourself out there and try new activities.
One piece of advice I have for incoming Marian freshmen is to not procrastinate your homework and be open to all the activities.
Okay, one piece of advice for the incoming sophomores is to make friends and do math. Quote Ms. Hahn.
My advice for incoming sophomores is to keep branching out and meeting new people.
My advice for incoming sophomores is to be more open-minded about school.
My piece of advice for incoming juniors is to study for the ACT and take it seriously.
One piece of advice I have for the incoming juniors is to not get wrapped up in schoolwork and to still be social.
My advice for incoming juniors is to stay on top of your work and use your time wisely so you can have a great time junior year.
One piece of advice I would give to incoming seniors is to enjoy every day because it actually goes by so fast.
One piece of advice I'd give the incoming seniors is to not park in the reserve spots or else you're going to get booted. Senior Honors Assembly.
This Monday, May 15th, the graduating class of 2023 returned to Marian for the annual Senior Honors Assembly. They were joined by their families and the rest of the Marian student body during the Crusader activity block. A time-honored Marian tradition, the graduates wore their caps and gowns while sporting slippers, cowboy boots, sneakers, and other fun shoes for the senior shoe parade. During the assembly, the senior with the top grade in every class was awarded a certificate from the head of each academic department. Seniors were given service and scholarship awards, and their student board members were recognized. Salutatorian Ellen Krotzer addressed her class in a heartfelt speech while reflecting on her time spent at Marian.
I challenge each of you to choose the road less traveled, to pick the choice that will make you different and set you apart. And no matter what obstacles this challenge presents, no matter what you face, continue to be resilient.
The senior class officers also gave out senior superlatives for awards such as the best friends and the brightest smile. Senior mascot Amelia Roth announced sophomore Ellie Braubeck as the future Marian mascot and inducted junior Ruthie Barrett as next school year's mascot. She will lead the student body in cheers at all sporting events. Twin sisters Mary and Abby Palin were also announced as the mistresses of ceremonies for graduation day. Principal Sullivan also announced Claire Bentley as the Marian Girl of the Year, one of the highest honors for a graduating senior. The Senior Honors Assembly is a great way to recognize senior successes and conclude every student's time at Marian. The class of 2023 will graduate on Sunday, May 21st.
Locker PSA.
And lastly, we have one final end of the school year reminder.
Don't forget to clean out your lockers.
And that's our final broadcast.